Hello, we are the Japan Veterinary Poisoning Research Association, JVPRA. We share research-based information on animal poisoning and the pet industry in Japan. Today's topic is why wild birds can eat cycad seeds without getting poisoned. You may see wild birds like crows eating the orange seeds of cycad plants. After they eat the outside, the seeds look like white walnuts. But, as you know, cycads are very dangerous for dogs and cats. Why are birds okay? Research shows that the poison, called cycacin, is not everywhere in the seed. The outer orange part is called cycotester. This part has very little or no poison. Birds often eat only this fleshy outer part and then spit out the dangerous inner seed. The second reason is about bacteria in the stomach. Cycacin itself is not the actual poison. It becomes toxic only after it is changed by gut bacteria. In a study with rats, those without gut bacteria did not get sick from cycacin. Birds, dogs, and cats all have different bacteria. This difference might protect birds from the toxin. Please remember, just because a bird ate it, it does not mean it is safe for your pet. Birds may drop these seeds in your garden or on your balcony. Even a small amount can be very serious for dogs and cats. If your pet swallows a seed, please take them to a veterinary hospital immediately. Nature is full of mysteries. What is safe for a bird can be a risk for a dog. Please keep a close eye on your garden. Thank you for watching. References are listed in the description or the comment section. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.